Ever wondered what exactly is cryptocurrency? Picture this, a digital or virtual form of currency secured by cryptography. It's like money, but existing in a realm that's not physical. The most famous of these is Bitcoin, a name you've probably heard. But it doesn't stop there. There are thousands of others, collectively known as altcoins. Now that we know what cryptocurrencies are, let's explore how to store them securely. To start investing in crypto, you first need a secure place to store your digital assets. This is where a cryptocurrency wallet comes in. There are a few types to choose from: hardware wallets like a digital safe for your crypto, software wallets akin to a digital bank account on your device, and online wallets which store your assets on a cloud. It's crucial to select a wallet that fits your needs and ensures top-notch security. After securing a wallet, the next step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. You've likely heard of some big names like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each has its unique features, fees, and security measures. But remember, it's not just about popularity. It's crucial to do your homework, read reviews, and ensure the exchange you pick has a solid reputation for reliability and security. Once you've chosen an exchange, it's time to conduct thorough research before investing. Before diving into investing, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. This isn't just about knowing their current market value or popularity, but delving deeper into their very essence. Ask yourself, what problem is this cryptocurrency solving? Cryptocurrencies aren't just digital money. They're often solutions to real-world problems. Some might enhance privacy, others might democratize finance, and some might even aim to revolutionize entire industries. Next, consider the team behind the cryptocurrency. Are they credible? Do they have a track record of success? A strong team can be a good indicator of a cryptocurrency's potential. Finally, ponder over the future potential of the cryptocurrency. Does it have room to grow? Is there a clear roadmap for its development? Remember, you're not just investing for today, but for tomorrow. Armed with knowledge, you're ready to create a diverse portfolio. Diversification is key in the world of crypto investing. It involves spreading your investments across a variety of cryptocurrencies. This strategy helps to mitigate risks associated with the volatile nature of individual cryptos. Imagine it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a broad array of cryptos, you enhance your chances of long-term success, as the performance of one does not dictate the overall health of your portfolio. With a diverse portfolio, it's time to understand the importance of risk management. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so having a risk management strategy is essential. One of the golden rules in the crypto world is to only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, as much as cryptocurrencies can bring impressive returns, they can also lead to significant losses. Another smart move is setting stop-loss orders. These are designed to limit an investor's loss on a position in a cryptocurrency. If the value dips to a certain level, the stop-loss order will automatically sell the asset, preventing further loss. Lastly, always consider your risk tolerance. This refers to the amount of market volatility you're willing to withstand. If you're the type who can't sleep at night knowing your investment's value might swing dramatically, then maybe high-risk cryptocurrencies aren't for you. With a risk management strategy in place, the final step is staying informed. The crypto market changes rapidly, so keeping up to date is key to making informed investment decisions. The crypto space evolves rapidly, and staying informed is crucial. The world of digital assets is ever-changing, and to navigate it successfully, you must always be in the know. This means following reputable news sources, staying updated with market trends, and joining online communities of like-minded enthusiasts. These practices not only provide you with insights, but also help you make informed decisions. Remember, in the fluid world of cryptocurrencies, staying informed is your best ally in this dynamic environment.